explore that link, fucked up my balance, boy. Killed that nigga, did it, bro. Put that paint in with that rod, and I look like a movie star. To call the car, we ain't gon' stop. Wrestling, diamond bezel, this a big ass rock. Said he on the block with gloss, know that nigga talk the car. Pulled up with that ooh walk, like it was a fool comp. Nigga, you could get chopped. Nigga, tell that nigga stop. He don't wanna work for shit, he just wanna free ride. She don't wanna work for shit, she just wanna get high. He don't wanna work for shit, he just wanna free ride. She don't wanna work for shit, she just wanna get high. He don't wanna work for shit, he just wanna free ride. She don't wanna work for shit, she just wanna get high. I went from a petty fight to a G5 flight. Split his Zanny up like I'm tryna play some GoldenEye. Big in me head overbite, I just fucked the older dyke. I just got some other white, that shit like a boulder height. Told you I look like a movie, so it's fuck the other guys. I just pull up with a toolie, that shit like your mother height. That shit get your brother height, that shit get your cousin spike. That nigga dumb, rapping about the crime he did the other night. That fucking drunk, get the going bang, and you ain't coming by. Me brand new, used to have a pistol on the Huffy bike. Nigga beef with me, won't leave in one piece like it's Luffy night. After smoking weed, I go to sleep like it's a roofing night. I keep a sword and shielded from the beef like I'm a royal knight. No matter if I'm turning to the left, you know I'm banging right. Catch a body, drop him off the cliff, and tell him take a hike. The bitch thought I was calling her Uber, better find a